Hi guys, welcome back. So my sister is obsessed with Sabrina Carpenter. She has her music, her album, her recent album, and we've been listening to it every single day as I'm taking her to school. So I know like every song now. Because of her, we are now making her famous Air One smoothie, short and sweet. Honestly, it's really expensive. It's like $23, but we kind of found a way to make it a little bit more affordable by taking out a lot of ingredients that are really expensive and making it more affordable by going to Target instead of Whole Foods. Except we did go to Whole Foods for one item, but anyways, whatever. Go ahead and comment down below, what is your favorite Sabrina Carpenter from her new album, Short and Sweet? My sister's favorite song is Coincidence, and then my favorite song is Berkem. Is that what it's called? So before we get into the smoothie, who is Sabrina Carpenter?
Sabrina Carpenter has gained significant fame recently due to her successful music career and acting roles. Sabrina Carpenter's breakout song was Skin, released in early 2021. The song garnered significant attention and was widely discussed, especially for its context related to a highly publicized feud with Olivia Rodrigo.
I will never forgive you guys for disrespecting Sabrina Carpenter when that situation with her and Olivia Rodrigo happened. Y'all was dragging this girl by her blonde extensions all because she liked the boy.
Skin helped to elevate Carpenter's profile in the music industry.
I'm on SNL and you're not.
Every time I see like a cafe, there's just a sign that says espresso and I'm like, yes.
People think I'm really short, but I'm actually super tall. I'm like 6'1".
Pretty intimidating when you're 5 foot tall and so awesome.
You made it to the top 4 of, actually top 3.
3 older sisters.
Wow.
And I'm the baby.
You're the baby.
So that's why I'm an asshole.
I just love the fact that she's blowing up right now because sis has been working hard. When I say hard, I mean working hard.
That's that me espresso.
Can I get a Sabrina Carpenter short and sweet? Is worth the $20. Excuse me, $23. Robbery.
So me and my sister, we're gonna be making the smoothie today.
Sweet, I guess so.
We're gonna go buy some ingredients. I think we were gonna go to Target and then Whole Foods to buy some of the ingredients. So we are not gonna be doing it exact because it is a really expensive smoothie.
Robbery.
But we are gonna find a little bit more, some affordable ingredients. We're not gonna buy every single thing. We'll tell you guys exactly what we're buying, what we're substituting, what we're not including. But we're gonna try to make it as close as possible. So right now I just dropped my sister off. She is at her school orientation on her last day. Well, not her last day, on her before her first day of school. I am gonna do my makeup in the car while I wait for her because I woke up late. Obviously I didn't have time to do my makeup, which I am gonna do. So I'm gonna do my makeup in the car. Oh my god, I kind of feel weird that like I brought all of my stuff.
Why would you do that? I don't understand.
There's pineapple. Where is... Mira, esta. Should we get this one? But it has bananas.
You would just have to separate it yourself.
Because it already has strawberries and we don't even have to get strawberries.
Well, they're not frozen strawberries though.
But they're just for to be cut up, you know? No, this one's good. You know what? Here, let's do something cool. Can you grab that and just throw it in there? Yeah, like just throw it in there. Is those your cards? I think so. Wait, let me put in my number.
Oh, you're gonna put it live?
Are you paying for it? Oh, scan it. Déjame entrar mi. That's it? Yeah. It's gonna be like $50.
That's not even half of the spirulina.
Throw in your shirt.
Now that's the cost of spirulina.
Take off your shirt.
Tasteless, odorless, and colorful. Awesome.
Okay, so this is what we ended up buying. So we got the organic unsweetened coconut milk. This one was really expensive, but this is what's gonna make it blue. And I think this is the same brand that they use in her smoothie. And then we use the Vita Coco coconut water. We were gonna use the other one, the blue one, because that's what I believe they use in theirs. However, they didn't have it at Target, so we're just using this one. And then they use almond. Sorry, Ben. So we just went with vanilla almond milk. So it was kind of like a hit and miss at Target. And then we just got some frozen pineapple with mango and some strawberries, which is perfect because that's what's actually in this. So anyways, this is the 3 things that they use for fruit. So I think we have everything. So let's go ahead and mix this, I guess. So I completely forgot this, but we already had this here. So you are going to need dates, and I think the dates are mostly for like the fact to add some sweetness. And then we don't have collagen, vanilla collagen, but we do have just regular collagen. I think this is from Costco, unflavored. So we're just going to put some organic vanilla just for that extra vanilla taste. And I think that's it, right?
Protein powder.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start with this coconut cream. Wow.
I can't open it. My nails are short. I just whip it up like.
Did you shake it?
No.
Yeah. So right now we're going to mix the coconut milk or the coconut cream. And this is just, I'm assuming it's going to make it fluffy, but we'll see. Move your head. Oh, never mind.
I kind of need it.
Was definitely, well, maybe I should have done that. It's definitely not thick.
Maybe it will.
I don't know how that's gonna go out of this one. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, you guys. I don't really know exactly what to do with the coconut cream because in their video it looks like it's creamy, but ours is watery. And just, you said it was the same brand?
Huh?
You said it was the same brand?
No, it was the same brand I saw on the app.
Okay, well anyways, let's start with the smoothie because I gotta go. So 1/4 cup of pineapple, do 1/4 cup of mango, 1/2 cup of coconut water, 1/4 cup of mango, 1/2 cup of coconut water. It doesn't look like the other one. Oh, maybe I should show you guys over here. It doesn't, it looks a little bit more light.
It's probably more coconut concentrated.
Maybe.
Bottoms up.
Tastes good. Now 1/2 cup
Vanilla oat milk.
of this.
Vanilla almond milk.
We're using vanilla almond milk because we obviously couldn't find everything at Target because...
It said they didn't sell it there anymore, which is...
Oh, I wonder if like the one from Costco would have worked, but we don't have any. So 1/2 cup of almond milk. Sorry, yeah, almond milk. It says 2 dates, but we only got 3, so we're gonna do the even split. Oh, it's over here. Go ahead and if you guys buy dates, make sure you guys take off the seed. Yeah.
It might
And
be
the
like extra protein if you get those seeds. Actually, it might be poisonous. I don't know.
I was gonna say. And then I'm gonna use this collagen that I have. This one is from Costco. It's unflavored for the vanilla extract, just to give it more flavor. I'm gonna go ahead and add 1/4 teaspoon. You don't want to add too much because then it becomes very overpowering. Are we missing anything else besides the spirulina? Okay, and I think this is the last thing.
Did you add the collagen? Oh yeah, you did.
I added the collagen, pineapple.
How much spirulina?
I'm assuming lo que está acá adentro.
1/4 teaspoon.
Damn, that is blue. I don't know what I was expecting, to be honest. It says 1/4?
Yeah. Oh, is there a little thing in there?
Yeah, there's a little spoon in here.
see.
I feel like whatever.
Yeah, do one of those. I think the girl on TikTok had that little spoon too.
I feel like what's on the spoon I don't want to drop because this shit was expensive. $45. Look at my fingers. She ended up paying $45, but we also got one croissant.
Right. I got a croissant.
We got a croissant and you didn't show them your Sabrina Carpenter shirt. Here, I'm gonna let me put this in here. So this is the thing. Well, you know what? Should I have you like hold it? Hold the camera? Like actually like hold it? Oh, there goes $10.
Oh, hell no. Yeah, put it on the rim. Damn, that's gonna be a blue ass smoothie.
It's expensive.
Wow.
Everything go in there.
This better cure some diseases.
You definitely want to be careful with this. Okay, what are we missing? Is that it?
Can I show off my Sabrina Carpenter shirt?
Oh yeah.
You won't get copyright if I sing, right?
No.
Think about me. I mean, I know which one is sweet. I guess so.
I got it for her.
Okay, because I bought the spirulina.
Yeah. Anyways, okay, let's go ahead and mix that. Grab the mixer.
Is that everything?
Look at my fingers. They're stained.
Would you rather spend $20?
Yes. No. Well, Jessica.
In this economy, boy, get the hell out of here.
Oops. This is bluer than the one that they give. See or no?
Yeah.
Did we mess up?
I think we might have put a little bit too much spirulina.
I feel like there was rocks in there.
But
Did you take out the seed for the other one?
yeah. No, did you?
Yeah. Mine
Okay.
is right here, look.
Yeah, the half one. I took it out too. It's right here.
Oh, go.
Okay.
I don't know why it's making that noise. Oh.
Was there something not melted? What the fuck is that?
What the fuck is
The
that?
date?
Oh, I guess the date just wasn't mixing.
I guess it's fine. You got all the sugar in there.
I see.
That's good.
Just one.
Alright, so this was kind of a fail, but we're not gonna talk about that. Oh.
I swear, if we just spent like, what? How much was this coconut just for that?
$4. No, $2.
Oh, she's fancy.
Well, yeah, because
We're over here with the Latino promotion.
Yeah,
We're gonna blur it.
okay.
We'll do it on that side.
Pour it in?
Yes.
Oh.
This all looks good. And then leave some room for the. You can drink that after, but leave some room for that, and then sprinkle it.
Well, there's the thing. You're supposed to like. It's supposed to. Whatever.
Yeah, ours is, for some reason, like maybe we did something wrong, but ours is not.
The only thing we've messed up with is the coconut cream.
Yeah.
Cause, yeah.
I don't know. Did we just not get the right
You
one?
should have mixed it with heavy whipping cream.
We could have, but then that kind of defeats the purpose. Okay, well, ours is definitely not as thick. I think it's because of all the powders.
Huh?
Oh, and they put like half in the thing. So like where the rim is, they put like half strawberries in there.
Well, I mean, this is as good as it's gonna get for us today.
Right, let me just try it.
Be honest. Short and sweet.
It's not bad.
You're lying!
I don't know what it tastes like.
Do you think a banana would be better than a date? Can I try it? It tastes like coconut milk and like coconut water.
Your teeth are so blue.
It's good. I feel like if it was a lot thicker in the sense of like maybe more ice, it would actually taste good. I think it's good. I think it's like...
Ooh, we forgot ice.
Ice was one of the ingredients? Oh. Well, then there you go. I would give it a 7 out of 10.
It's really good. Yeah, 7 out of 10. I like it.
When will the lies end?
It has that weird like healthy flavor of the collagen and stuff.
Oh yeah, the collagen, you can definitely taste the collagen. She doesn't like it.
I'm not a fan of collagen, but I like the like. It kind of tastes like does taste like vanilla, but it kind of tastes like a milkshake. Liar! Kind of.
I feel like the date didn't really do much, but...
Well, we were supposed to put 2 in there.
This out and put it... Do I just put it in there?
No.
Then how do I put the disc in?
You press load and you have to wait till the light is green. Oh my god, why would you do it now? This is... Oh no, you fucking did it!
Okay, I'm gonna put it back in. Load it? I want a different angle.
Oh my god!
No, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.